Hello, we're group 4 in the Theory of Computation class. Our project is specifically on IoT security vulnerabilities and some different types of block ciphers that we are going over. Primarily, the important thing to know is IoT devices stands for Internet of Things. So it's stuff mainly in your home that has very small computational power, but its security is still important to make sure that people aren't hacking into your home, jacking up your thermostat, and changing other things around your house.
So the spec and what we use is the spec and the AES algorithm, and these are both symmetric. So that's one key that does encryption and decryption, as well as they both have multiple rounds of the message encryption. So it'll generate a subkey that's being used to to encrypt each round.
And so for our results, we did an implementation of both AES and spec. We found out that AES works great as kind of a baseline, as it is really good. It's very constant. We found. You can see the first figure shows just kind of a general output of what it will look like in our program. It tells you exactly what like the ciphertext is, and also the time it takes, and that's very similar to our implementation of the spec algorithm. It also shows the time taken and also the ciphertext blocks. To compare the two algorithms, we actually we took the number of characters that we input and increased it exponentially from 5 to 50 characters, and we took down the time it took for each algorithm with the same input to encrypt and decrypt, and we found that AES took almost the same exact time across the board, while spec was actually increasing throughout.
To conclude, after careful experimentation, AES and spec algorithm, between both of them, we found that AES is a better, if is an efficient algorithm. Why? Because even though the spec algorithm, both of them are symmetric, block cipher, spec algorithm show an exponential increase in runtime with larger input as opposed to AES. So AES is efficient and reliable for IoT environment. Thank you.